top of my comments on my channel. Subscribe to the following channels for OFW stories and love trips. How to go to the National Museum of Singapore. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can be updated of all what is happening and my trips in Singapore. Here is my wife traveling with me in the deepest MRT station in Singapore called Bras Basah. It is one of the most magnificent architecture of modern day Singapore. Amazing is this view because above the glass is the fountain, and here's my wife enjoying the view of this MRT station. Alight at Bras Basah MRT station, exit A and turn to your right and cross to the road. And then after you cross, on your right you will see the Singapore Management University, the central campus and its park, and walk along this park with the shops besides it so that you can reach and finally view the National Museum on your right. Then after this, you will see students walking along the road enjoying the view of the Garden City. Cross to another road and then you will see on your right the National Museum of Singapore. Finally, we arrive at our destination of 5 minutes walk from the MRT to the National Museum Singapore, the oldest British museum built during the British occupation. If you like more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can be updated of all my travels.